In today's enterprises, IT assets are everywhere. They're scattered across departments, branches, and even countries. Managing them is a massive challenge. Inventory checks, maintenance, troubleshooting. These tasks eat up time and resources. And without proper management, you risk unexplained asset loss, operational disruptions, and even serious information security threats. AnySecura designed to transform IT operation and maintenance through automation, making management faster, smarter, and more secure. It automatically inventories all your hardware and software assets. It tracks device locations, flags outdated equipment, monitors hardware changes, and sends alerts for abnormalities, keeping your IT map crystal clear in real time. AnySecura can also detect missing patches and updates them automatically, closing security gaps before they cause damage. When something breaks, speed matters. AnySecura allows remote diagnosis and fault repair, no need for on-site visits. Even complex problems can be solved quickly, keeping your systems running smoothly. Plus, AnySecura data analysis and early warning platform enables multi-dimensional statistical analysis of software installation operations on client computers. As automation becomes the standard for IT management, AnySecura gives you the tools to secure your assets, reduce risks, and focus on what truly matters. Save time, cut costs, and protect your business all in one platform. Contact us for more details.